Today, I'm totally excited. I just got my box from Factor. If you're not familiar with Factor, they are like chef-inspired meals or chef-crafted meals that come to you fully prepared. They are microwavable, but it's fresh food that was cooked a couple days ago. I wouldn't say Factor is like eating leftovers because they are fresh meals, but they are prepared. Now, we've tried a couple other boxes lately, like Home Chef and Hello Fresh. The food is good, but there still is a bit of cooking. And the whole reason that I've been trying to get boxes like this, or food delivery services, so as I can save time, I've been kind of busy lately. Now, if you're looking to try Factor, there's a promo code or like an affiliate link in the description of the video that'll get you to their most recent promotion. Right now, I think it's $150 off your first couple boxes. Let's take a look inside this box, see how it comes, and we'll get in the kitchen and try it out. All right, so when you open it up, no prep necessary. Factor meals to the heat and eat as little as 2 minutes. Fresh meals, box to unbox. We're getting more recyclable every. See our website for instructions. So I guess this box is recyclable. Let's check out the inside. All right, first we got free box of Factor. Looks like you can, give these away to your friends. It's a $104 value. Inside the box, comes packed in ice, so it's still frozen solid. We got some meals. I don't remember which meals that we ordered. I think I just let it auto order. There's some different diet. They do have different meals every week that you can pick from. It should have some different dietary restrictions on it. Let's go ahead and see what we got. First one is gonna be Parmesan chicken and sun-dried tomato chicken penne. The next one's gonna be shredded chicken taco bowl with slow roasted corn salsa, cilantro, lime, and sour cream. All right, so it looks cool in the package. Let's get in the kitchen and see how they taste. All right, so take a little closer look at our Factor meals. The first one we're gonna try is Parmesan sun-dried tomato penne with roasted onions and green bean pearl onions. With this one, all we gotta do is microwave it for 2 minutes on high, and then additional heating is needed. This is what it looks like. Oh, they got their reminders that you can get the discount. Got the link in the description as well. This is how it looks before you put it in the microwave. I'm gonna poke a couple holes in it and I'll be back and we're gonna try it out. So after 2 minutes in the microwave, this is what the meal turned out like. I'd say overall, and I think it would do. Let's go ahead and try a bite. Some of the chicken in there too. Flavor's good. I mean, it's much better than like your standard frozen meal. Presentation, it does stuff like a standard meal, so let me grab another one, see if I can plate it up a little differently and see if we can trick ourselves to thinking it's homemade. Be right back. Now this one is the shredded chicken taco bowl. I decided to take it out of the microwave packaging and put it in a bowl to make it feel a little more homemade. This is the chicken taco bowl. It has rice, chicken, some cheese. Came with the side of corn salsa, which mix on top, and this cilantro lime seasoning. There's cilantro lime sour cream. This one looks good. Visually, it does look homemade. Let's take a bite and see if we like it. Yeah. I mean, if I made this at home, I'd be happy with it. Seems like the overall ingredients from the Factor are fresh. And if you're looking for a replacement for a quick, easy meal that tastes homemade, I'd say try them out.